Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video we will be unboxing this particular product. So there is a product from IKEA, which is an egg slicer basically, and I got it from IKEA store. And this product is quite you can say most selling product in IKEA. So very small product, but this has a very good effect basically. So you can use it on a daily basis whenever you are trying to eat egg, right? So I'll show you how can you cut this egg. I do have a egg as well in front of you, and then we will try to cut this egg with the IKEA egg slicer. Let me tell you some of the basic details about this particular product. So the price is 173 rupees, which is in Indian currency around 2.5 to $3, but I got it for around $1.5. Product name is called as SLAT, SLAT. The length is 12 centimeter by 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. And then that's all about it, like made in China as usual. And then let me quickly open this. Okay, you will find this type of seal here once you have to open it. So there is nothing much here, so very easy to open. So you can hold this like a handle, and then you have to pull it up and pull it down. So when you put your egg here, you have to put the egg here, and then you have to pull the this thing down. So let me quickly peel this particular egg which I have. I put it like this. Even you can put it like this, however that you want to. If you want the egg to be sliced like the bigger cuts, you need to have it like this. Or if you want a smaller cuts, you can definitely go ahead and do it like this. Very simple. Just need to put it and then press it, guys. See how it is getting cut. Basically I did apply it little less pressure, that is why it has, but it has cut like very good. Like whenever you have, see this eggs, guys, beautiful, right? So beautiful, guys. So product purchase link, I'll try to put that on the description section. You can definitely go ahead and purchase it, and it's a quietly, as I told you, it's a most selling item in IKEA. So not only eggs, but you can definitely cut items which have which is not of hard material, basically soft materials. You can definitely cut it, right? And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you, guys.